Uncle Pablo look like him a baby sick man. Will and come again. Comrade Cole, what go on, Dr. Cole?
Good morning to the platform.
What go on?
Right? When I hear Labour rights attack, you know, to pay them no mind.
Yes.
Because when you ask them say PNP don't know the 8 years. And last I have the privilege to ask one, if the PNP has never done nothing within the 8 years. Him now was say no, he did not do nothing. But a substance. It's a build and repair 64 schools. The JADEP, which is the judge for the elderly, and the National Health Fund. And that immediately they are trying to make a mess of himself. Because that's all them do. And then now you have one now, when you find out that he was cornered, the hands are bad and who are what me are. And who to go do this and who to go do that. The question that's still on the table, right?
Yes.
8 years going in a few more days. 9 years Andrew Onis has been the Prime Minister to Jamaica. Over the last couple of months, he holds up on podium with the facing match. Come and tell the Jamaican people what policy that you and your Onis has put in. I heard them brightest scholar this morning and say that PNP can't show high rise to building the PNP build. And I shook my head and I said to myself, that man need to walk with Clyde Morris. Make Clyde Morris guide him. Right? That's the news. It is the People's National Party that built Jamaica. And now we have 4 more by-elections, and Mr. Holness will go up on the platform. All the Jamaican people want to know from you 2 things. Name your program that you implemented for actually 9 years, and show us your statutory declaration certified. 2 things. We not that much of it, sir. Come and show the Jamaican people what you implement for the last 8 years. 8 years, you have built Cornwall Regional Hospital. 8 years, you have built the bypass to Marant Bay. 8 years, our hospital has been in the most deplorable condition. Not even AC can be fixed. That's a minister of government and one of your campaign director, Big Mama, after a ball like a baby, I cry like when you can a mouse. Come and tell us what you do for 8 years. And if Andrew Wallace cannot talk out time out, he go sentence, he can't talk. Then on a tour of regional council meeting, and all him do, I borrow Big Mama frack. Cause most of you borrow. And you put on, and you come and talk about who benefit from FinSAC. Call the name, you know the name, you get the document, You were there when the name them a cross out. Call the name. But we know Mark Walling can call your name any day, anyway, anytime, and say that you are under investigation for illicit enrichment, and in the layman term, thief. Mark Walling can say that you take charity money, carry a bank, and then claims it back. Mark Walling can say that all of him company pay tax. He can say that all of your company that from tax. I yield to the floor.
Well said. Well said, Uncle Cole. Well said. Pablo, you ready now? Good afternoon, Uncle Pablo. Uncle Pablo, a babysit man. As a businessman, your time, sir. Everybody, I hear me? Comment yes if you know I hear me. All right, wifey. Big up yourself, Lady Escobar.
I hear you. Loud and clear.
So why, as a businessman, not turning on his microphone? Aren't you hearing me, sir? Yeah, take him down, please, cause a waste of time. Gillette Wilson, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Gillette. Turn on your microphone, please. Hello? Waste of time.
What go on with them? Why then come up and talk for, man?
Waste of time. Yvonne, good afternoon, Yvonne. So if you work and you're busy, brother, just say something, but you not say nothing. You take the time and comment. You could have just turn on your microphone and say, Dre, me busy. Skip to some, but you not say nothing. Come on, man. You know the thing set up. Yvonne, good afternoon. Going once, going twice. Waste of time. You got to go, Miss Yvonne. Sorry about that. Other people want to come up in the box. Let me hear what Shango have to say. Good afternoon, Shango. Welcome.
Yes, my brother. Yes, comrades. Yes, comrades. There's a one question here I'd like to ask.
Go right ahead.
Why is it this dictator is trying to ban TikTok from Jamaica? You know how many young people right now it's saved from crime? This same TikTok here. You know how much young people it kept inside their home and their platform trying to make a little money?
Yes. Yes.
So why is he trying to ban this thing from the country? And this same platform is the same platform he used to win his election. That's what they campaign on. And PNP didn't ban it. So why is, there's some things that this guy is doing I cannot come to terms with.
The labor wrong is him, my brother. The labor wrong is him.
I cannot come to terms with these things, what he's doing. He's disarming decent law-abiding citizens, disarming them. I know of so many friends that just get letters say them carrying them upon them.
Sango, sorry, Dre, what? Dre, Sango, what I'm hearing, Elon Musk want to use Twitter more often. So is the Chinese them of TikTok? So Donald Trump want ban that shit.
Oh.
Yes, that's why, because them no want a China. You know, Donald Trump don't like the Chinese them. So,
American whole don't like them.
Exactly. So that's why it's banning, because of the money making. That's what I heard from a big man yesterday, because me care one man me go vote yesterday and me care somebody go vote. And the person set me hear a big heads in there talking about Elon Musk, the one we have the ugly car them. He wanted to use Twitter because Twitter is his. So he want to use Twitter to be more active. So that's why them a try to ban, because he might cheer for Trump, Elon Musk. That time with the electric car them. So he might want. And trust me, bear in mind, You know, look good up here. So no matter what people they tell you no say, they have to watch the TV and listen to the TV. Because me going to one polling station yesterday. And me know one Asian lady we work there with me and I work in one place before. And she tell me, say, no, look good. Because let me tell you, people who vote last time for Biden, them are go with Donald now. And hear why? Because them are talk about the border and the people them. We come in and make a fool of themselves, broke people place, lick down people, fight people. Now we the Jamaican, you know. We don't know about we know about this, the Mexican them and them something. So, you know, look good pan the woman, you know watch the crowd, as well, Dre always say, now watch it go, duck the crowd, watch the voting at the time. When it come, because the crowd can do that for Kamala and Kamala now win. Me I tell you now, and he Trump win. And he Trump win that a big swing for PNP too. Because all the time I saw you always go.
My friend Godchild, I never talk about Kamala and Trump on my platform. I won't really go there to talk about it.
True, Dre, not chat about it. Because we up here they see, because some of the people they might eat them and talk about shall win. Make we see the day when it come next week Wednesday. When it come on Wednesday or Tuesday. Make we see the day when it come next week Wednesday, because guess me, them are tied in a whole heap of place, them are tied in.
All right. Well, next week Wednesday, I want
me
to talk about the program and tell me.
Yes, baby. Yes. So that's why I tell Sango about the TikTok and really don't a Jamaica problem, a up your so problem.
Okay.
Yeah,
I heard the Labour right them saying that that's why the Prime Minister is banning TikTok from Jamaica. So when I heard that, I said,
you know, so they done already, Sango, they not spend.
No, man, he want to come from Jamaica too. He want to take it. That's why the whole of them run down over. The whole of them run down over YouTube.
But
so
when they gone, they go to Dre. Anyway, Dre, they we are nine buying.
That's why you see them run from there. They want to take it off from Jamaica too, because to them see that we are get through. We Dre and everybody are get through. Yes, sir.
The message is getting through to the people.
Django, in all honesty, the news that I saw is that Biden gave the Chinese an ultimatum to regularize it by now, and I think the 17th or 19th of January. If they make steps to regularize it, they will continue. But if the Chinese continue to ignore it by now on the 19th of January, they have no choice but to ban it. But that is in the United States. Nobody knows if we are going to follow the same thing down here in Jamaica.
Exactly, because China does make a lot.
Yeah. But based on what I'm gathering, it goes for America. But you know what, go on America, go on Jamaica too.
Same place as Jamaica, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to discuss the American politics, because we are so far down here.
That's right, Dre. Let them share with them problem up here.
Yes.
One make you go with the PNP business.
But me I tell you, them not like TikTok down your night. I mean, they barang them because we have beat them and you have beat them in the church. You know, here where I say to you.
True, man.
All right, and you know, see, the whole of them run down because they realize that then you take over and we there, and then they must keep on over. So, but no matter where you run, we are running for that.
They know themselves either. Hear them here to look away. Listen to me. They Dre all of the PNP, they have to run with the left TikTok.
I know.
They're going to run for YouTube too, because Dre, they go over there too.
Oh, you mean anyway? We are good.
Man.
We are put up anyway because they can run, but they can hide, you know.
Exactly. Anyway, yes. I wish they started as a rock.
Yes, man.
That is it. Man. Good afternoon, Kashif. Welcome, Kashif. Wagwan.
Yeah, afternoon. Give me a couple of seconds with this group and judgment step. Well, yeah, what I say is America wants TikTok to sell some of their shares to an American. And TikTok doesn't want to do it. They already moved their servers to America, but America wants more. So that's where the issue lies.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, the issue, but and many countries are following America, you know. So don't be surprised if you hear bro gotta try the same thing.
Yes.
No, but Kasim, the reason why America banned TikTok, you know, are because of the multilateral newsroom. Them were on TikTok are expose what's happening in the world, especially in the Middle East.
It's not entirely because all of that is being shared on every social media
Right.
platform, not
Right.
just TikTok.
But
So
you must go on TikTok.
that's not entirely it. The
Al
issue is America wants to ban TikTok.
Al Jazeera bring it a lot too. So I don't think so.
America wants to buy into TikTok. That's the thing. TikTok share is soaring. Soaring. The man that owns TikTok in China is now the richest man in China. So America wants to buy in. They want a piece of the company. TikTok already gave in, moved their servers to the United States. America says, all right, that's good, but you have to sell us some of your shares. And that's where the issue is. So TikTok is now caught in the middle. They have an active court case. They're suing the government. So I'm not sure if that's going to cause the ban to be halted while the case is active. So let's see.
Well, I'm going to tell you see, any little thing come around for the youth, them make some money. Any little thing come around for the youth.
That part two, yes. Yeah, that little part two, you know, too much millionaires are being made through TikTok.
Exactly.
They have an issue with that because not just their personal issue, but it will also cause issues for the persons that live in the area that these people are from. Because once they become millionaires, the area that they live in starts to price for the houses starts to go up.
Kashif, 1 more minute, Kashif, 1 minute. This is what me hear again. TikTok let out too much information. You see, sometimes you go on and you know what to do with pain and all of that. The doctor them have something to do with everybody they fight against it. Because them say a lot of information they come out from TikTok. All you fi broke here, this go up, a lot of information, too much information they on TikTok. Trust me.
So no piece of Kamala win. No piece of Kamala win when we have a chance to save it.
No.
A chance probably did it because they say she more easier to negotiate with than Trump. So
hey, I believe Trump will have an easier chance because if you notice Trump get along with these Chinese people.
A Trump a black it, a Trump anti black.
No, but Trump is not in any government there. No, so how can he be doing that? No way, man. Don't say that.
My thing is, as the Joy say, we don't want to discuss them problem. We have to left, we have to problem down here. But what I'm saying, Tango and Kashif, this is we don't know who is in the black from who, but me say to myself, me is a fan of Trump, me not vote for Trump. But what I'm saying, if Trump win, this time here, PNP they come in same way behind Trump. Remember me tell you that. Remember when
we don't want link to Trump now. We don't link to Trump. We don't want Trump to link to Trump now.
And Trump ain't good. Me not lie you.
I agree with you, lady.
Him bad and he's good. And there's no people, just like the labor right them, people just chat and people now listen. Him bad for the immigration, but the economy, remember me tell you. Me no want
let me give you one example.
All right, me don't talk about it. One song go talk.
Let me give you one example here. As you say, he's bad and he's good. And everyone there is bad and there is good. Let me give you this example. This lady that they sentenced her in America for life sentence for selling few little stick of weed. Life sentence selling few little stick of weed, this black woman. And when the time come around for petition, they bring... Yes, but listen to me now. Let me just say this to you. They bring it to Barack Obama 3 times. 3 times. And Obama object. And the one time Kim Kardashian bring it to Trump, he said, no, this is excessive. This
And
is not
partner.
right. This is not justified. And
Then
it's
hold on there.
partner.
All
So
right.
he's
You
good
got
and
a
he's
point.
bad.
Hold on. You get
Yeah,
a
that's
point too. What about him? I say if he pick the ban over there and if he come and man American. About that part there too.
No, go so.
You need
What
to
Of
is
course he
understand.
go so.
that?
He
What
he
is
go so
that
in some
talk?
talky so in
Me never
talky
hear
so.
that.
Let me
In
get that
talky so
talk. Let
no
me
say
get
you
that
know
talk.
here man. In test
All
of
right.
miss.
While
So you talk
Trump,
about one on one. Said we.
while Trump freed that black lady, he
Eh.
went ahead and freed many of his rich friends that were not supposed
Yeah.
to be free.
We
So you
free.
need to understand something. Yes, he do a one good thing, but he do 500 other bad things.
And you
One
want
good
That
free
thing.
is what he
instead
said.
because if
Good
you
and
win.
bad in everyone.
Hey man, if me win me free, if you win me free, if you be charged what depend him me free them up and enough to get free for enough I charge when depend.
No,
So
nobody
that him
not
well
agree with
want win.
corruption.
We free instead.
Corruption.
Right? And that him want do.
Listen,
Hey, let us
everybody,
stick to our problem. Let us
I
stick to
have
our
listened.
problem in Jamaica.
Okay.
Give me a
Please,
thought
let
there.
us stick to our problem in Jamaica
He
because
bounce out that too, man.
I'm
He
going
bounce out that
more
too.
problems there to
Yeah.
deal with
He
than what them
bounce
have to
out
All
that
deal
right,
with.
too.
Shango,
Nobody
here,
feel so.
Uncle Sydney, listen what me
Yeah.
going to say. Hold on,
All right.
mute.
All right,
Everybody
Sergio, yeah.
mute the for a second, everybody. All right, this is my take, and then we are going to move on from the Donald Trump and Kamala, because Wednesday are coming our 4 more days left. This is my take. I'm not really busy with the American politics. A lot of people, they just say all kind of things about Donald Trump, and a lot of things about the lady, other family, who the next woman, the Secretary of State. What's your name again?
My
Who
name, the
run?
wife.
Yeah, the former president wife, Miss Clinton.
Yes, Hillary.
Clinton, yeah.
Hillary Clinton. All right, listen me now, people. You remember how the whole world did say, yes, first woman I got turn president, and it's high time, and everybody I say, Hillary, me blouse and skirt, and the night of the election, when I see Hillary Clinton, one about 90 to reach Donald. I say, Kuya, then did I talk about Donald Trump and the man win fair and square. And I like say the man win 2 state or 1 state over here. The man win fair and square. I mean, why you're nothing Donald Trump have in nasty, dirty, bad ways. But when it comes on to the economy of the United States, him put the Americans them first.
One day. We done this all.
Him put the I am not a supporter of Donald Trump. Me no want to hear nothing about him. But as an outsider looking in, Donald Trump handled the economy of the Americans wonderful, and he put the American people first before every single soul. And you have to give him that. Him have him dirty, nasty ways, and I want to see Miss Kamala Harris win. That is my stance, but at the end of the day, when it comes on to the economy, nobody have done it better than Donald Trump, and that is my stance. Who can want agree, who want disagree, that's my own thing. But make we bring it back to Jamaica. Wednesday is coming, right? And all the campaign and all of the big shot singer them we want to support Miss Harris. When Wednesday come, we will see play up, because I saw the whole of them did a run up and down back at Hillary Clinton, and when the night of the election come, everybody shame like dog. So wait until Wednesday, make we see who is the top dog from the poodle. All right, make we let it go now and talk about Andrew Holness and why is it that the people them in a South Clarendon now know if they live, and the MP said them if come out, give them notice, and that we want to talk about.
Yeah, man. So, yes, Sergio, you're right. Yeah, man. So, you see, remember we have a discussion with you, Sergio.
Yes.
And immediately, I only had a day or two, the man come out and said them to come out, I think. And look how we are beg for the people and to look about somewhere put them. But the people if they come out, if you don't know, say people could have come out and find somewhere go already.
Exactly.
Then you could place tear down. Then you could place tear down. They don't know if you go. They know the government will look after them. You can't bring out the people, man.
That's right.
Not even landlord can bring out people. Mike and Mali make landlord can bring out so. out of your house where you rent. Much less poor people and have nothing and you don't know where to go. You go fling out the people and tell you they have to come out. What kind of style is this? A Jamaican, you know what, them to go live in a cave? No, what really are going, man? You know, the government duty that thing get paid for. You citizens in the country, you get paid for it. The whole of the 49 and up in the government, you know, get paid to look about the people them. And the poor people them and no burn them burn down the place. A disaster, you have disaster money put on for them. So when you use your and find somewhere put the people, you tell them to come out like the people are squatter. Them are no American, you know, them are no Canadian, them are no English, them are Jamaican. So they can't do better, that's why they each up there.
Sydney,
Yes,
if
sir.
you notice what the government did with the disaster money, the man pocket the disaster money. Pocket the disaster money. Where is it? Where is spend? What it do? Tell me. Anybody say anything like the disaster money?
The man take out one donation firm and millions of dollars the man take it put himself in one bank account, my brother.
Me say, if that boy, look at if that boy no go to prison, I'd cut off my foot and name it.
Yo,
If
brother,
that
you know
boy
what
no
happened?
go to prison,
You
you
know what
understand? You see why he cannot step down? You know the reason why he cannot step down? A serving president or a serving prime minister cannot be arrested. I don't know if you
not
know
so
that.
easy, right?
It's not so
So he want
easy.
pardon himself. You want to go back in another 4 years
He
to
might
pardon
try,
himself.
what am I do? He might try steer and try see if he can set the record straight. So that's what he's trying to do.
My
But
brother,
I believe
you know what
as
happened?
this
You know-
election run, they're gonna throw bangle on him. I have
Brother.
a strong belief.
You know what make me feel it, so? The lady who run down there, what's her name again, Sergey? What's her name again? The PNP lady there, where help them out there. The lady said they not no food and she have to go yard and pull up 2 bags of food and go buy something. And the pitney them be there. I pitney them, me feel the most of all finance. The little pitney them be there hungry and she have to go around. The PNP lady have to go around. Remember, she not win, you know? She lose and she have to go around and help them because pitney them, so you must stay. And look for some food. The people say not there. Them have to go hustle. They don't say she work, they're not working, they don't work, they have to go hustle. And carrying food at night to them and their little family, they'll go pick the man. Oh God, that alone can prick the man. The picking them can prick your man. As up your heart dry up and turn bad, brother.
Satan, man, I tell you.
Picking them, man.
Satan.
God, I have man. You could be them
Come and
hungry.
pocket every disaster relief money because from COVID this a one. In the spend half of the money what they give them.
Use a money to the air money and look for the people, then take them out and build up in one room, then give them one big little one room, give them, make them go in and then can fish around for themselves, brother. I keep you want people them going, man. We really picking them. Put God ahead and I them and you build up much take you out, talk more tight and let all the people them. I picking them. God says for my children to come unto me. Whatever you do to them, the precious in thy sight.
He rather to spend the money, send soldier and police gonna hate him, man. That's what he rather doing than helping his own.
The lady said the picnic them hungry and she have to go get some food, a bag of food, go look about give the picnic them. We can't afford for themselves. They never asked to be here. And people here in the whole of we are one family, are one Jamaican. And you can't tell in your heart, you can't find what's in your heart, the cabinet town can't come together and say, use the NI something much of the NI money, you boast the NI reserve. Well, you hope. Take some money out of them and fix up some place, take people them out at 12, somebody and you pity them, brother. You can't say that. You can't look for Miss Dana. As much as child labor right, but me not put labor right just now. Miss Dana build much housey people by collect hearts in donation, people are bought and below.
You know, see, you know, realize that they stop Miss Dana. They stop Miss Dana and Andre them from feeding all the poor people and they stop them. You don't realize it?
Jesus Christ, no man, you tell me that.
You don't realize that they stop them from doing it.
Man, nobody let me drop down, brother. Nobody let me drop down, brother.
I saw a lady and the media calling out to Vibes Cartel. So she's begging Vibes Cartel. She's begging him, and I hope God could touch his heart that after his concert, he can donate some beds to the hospital. Because she says she was admitted to the hospital. And she have to sit in her chair and get all her treatment, IV stuck in her hand, everything in a chair because there's no bed for her to lay on. Eh? Eh?
Them man no dead up there with league in their hand, Papa.
Can you believe no man? He said something. He said hurt me. And look what they're doing with taxpayer money. They are collecting the money, right? You tell me, say if them all that they how much? 1.7 billion or 7.3 billion when me hear say can be accounted for.
Yeah.
I heard in the next program again say the money, the backside levy money from Jamalco.
Yeah,
how much
that's it.
billions donated to them it can be accounted for. If Jesus Christ, man, no man, and you think some me could I go to my sense and vote for them a friggin' animal? Eh? You see, a lot of people, a lot of labor right, it don't reach them, because they don't have a family or anybody who have to go face to the tune of these things in the hospital. You see?
This me and mine's attitude that we have at Jamaica that a kill we not until he reach through the doorstep when they really care.
That's what I'm
That's the
saying.
problem.
I was listening to one guy last night on Chef program. Chef, I don't know if you know that one Chef. The PNP platform, and this guy call in.
We know Chef.
Yeah, call in and say he's a labor right. And start talking about the hospital, that his girlfriend went into the hospital. Chef saying gonna edit it and post it up and send it all over. So she went to the hospital to have a baby. And when she went into the hospital to have the baby, one of the nurse, when the baby is coming and she cry out say the baby is coming, the nurse say, Tande, you get what you bargain for and walk well leave her. And then when she see the baby coming now and they run come back, right? And she start to help, she found out that the passage is too small. The cervix bone is they're too close. Because they said the baby weighed 9.5 pounds. So the baby could not come out through her there. Right? So they have to call 5 doctors. Start to operate on her, cut her open to take the baby out. And she said, when they took the baby out, she noticed the doctor pass the baby over to one of the nurse, and the nurse just grabbed the baby. Remember that the bone is just fragile, just come out, that bone coming like something in a pressure cooker, And the lady just grabbed the baby by the arm, by the hand, one hand, and boom, the hand break. Right?
Oh my God.
She passed out. She passed out from there. She said she passed out. She said when she recover and realize they're cutting her open again because they stitch her up with all these galls and all those things, tissue, all kind of thing in her. Not tissue, cotton bud and all those things inside her.
Yeah, all of these things when they use to stop the blood.
Right. They have to cut her again to take it out. And then now, and the file, because Chef was telling them to sue the hospital. And they say on the file, there was nothing on the file apart from just the registration paper only. You will hear it, man, because he's gonna post it all over the place. Me say, man, when I heard it, man, it's like a nigga going through my heart how I feel, man.
Not even animal you can't do that way. Not even animal. If you lick your animal or cut your animal, you're gonna jail feet.
All right.
Exactly.
I wonder if you notice that the animal them have more rights than me and you.
Yes, man. Abuse. If you
That's because they can't talk. That's why people look at it that way. Say animals be more right. Animals can't say yes and can't say no.
Oh, I tell you, boy, this world that we're living in,
That
you know, I
situation,
don't think I would bring another kid in this world, brother. No way.
but he need to make it come more to light, man. That for the national news.
Yeah, that's what he's going to do. He's going to highlight it. That's what he's going to do. And the girl was saying that she could never vote for those green people anymore. And she's pursuing her boyfriend not to vote for them because there's nothing. And then she brought up to light again the roads in the community, all those things again. Look here, I was driving my vehicle in Jamaica last 2 months ago, and I was on a particular road and I saw a pothole. And I was just taken away from that pothole slightly, shifting from the pothole, going closer to the left side to the bank, to the, you know, and I drop into a tank. You could see a murker here when my vehicle drop in there. Bust up my rim, bust up the tire, bust up the airbag because the vehicle when me have the, you know, use shocks, you use airbag. Bust up the airbags them. My vehicle lean one side because the airbag them bust up. You see when me come up and find out how much for the airbag them alone is just for 2,700. The tires, 2,600. And you know, put workman money in that yet, you know. So me I look way in about 700,000. 800,000 Jamaican dollar just for that what happened to me down there. Who can I go to for help?
But listen up, you know, though, say the lawyers in Jamaica, they're really not doing much, you know, because lawyers here in the United States, once they see that you have a strong case that won't be won, they take it to pro bono. I don't hear anybody taking any pro bono case in Jamaica.
One time they used to do it, but not so much again.
Because even with the couple and the situation in the hospital, there should be a lawyer there willing to represent them pro bono, because that seems very odd. It seems off.
Yes, we were talking about that last night too. But I was suggesting to Chef that look at this. They are poor little people, them don't have nothing. And what they look at.
I sat still doing the pro bono. And the one in Spanish Town there. When name again, the young lawyer, King Ang. A lot of lawyers still do it. They still do it.
Okay. But maybe them don't know. But I was saying to myself, these two little young couple, young people, them as know, them looking to themselves, how can I go up against this big hospital, all these doctors and that? I can't go up against them. I don't have no money. That's the first thing running their mind, you know.
Yeah, that's why lawsuits are not a big thing in Jamaica, because the first thing people think about is the money to pay a lawyer to fight the case.
Yes. Oh, may I tell you, man, me love my country, but brother, I tell you something. I was planning to move back in 2020, and I'm telling you, it was a good thing COVID come. It was a COVID opened my eyes. COVID opened my eyes. So all my investment and everything is still there. Millions I spend there. I don't mean small money. I mean buy a 10-bedroom, 3-story house out there. Millions me spend for that. You understand? And even at one stage, hear them talking about right now how remittance is down. Remittance is down because of the system that they have there. When I want to make my deposit on my house, when the house was selling for X amount, and I said, boy, I'm gonna make an offer for this. And I said to the realtor, you think this offer is reasonable? The realtor said, yes, make that offer and see what they will say. If anything will step up. And when I make the offer, they accept the offer. And then when I consult my lawyer and say, all right, you withdraw and do the monetary transaction from my account, it took me and the lawyer 4 months. I nearly lose the house. 4 months before we could get 1 cent from the account. Can you believe that?
Crazy.
Eh?
And they keep telling people Jamaica is the best place to do business, but how can
Right.
it be? Can it be the best place to do business and a simple transaction such as that takes forever?
For 4 months, because look, they asked me for job letter. They asked me for job letter. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
It's the system, and the man them who's doing the money laundering and robbing and thieving and stealing and raping. You see? Nobody have eyes on them. You think me and you could step into a bank and open an account without a dollar? Eh? You just imagine yourself walking to NCB Bank, say you're gonna open an account, and you don't have a dollar in your pocket walking in there. You think you can get that done?
You're mad.
Okay. But see,
Not even if you're opening it for a salary purposes to get salary in it, they're telling you at least $500 you have to put in it.
right. And see this man open how much account without a dollar, and within weeks, 140,000 US. Look at man. They're running from him. The people are running away.
Everybody around. But me no cut it forward. The Indian. Yeah, she was and to choose she because he was in a bind, man. Yes, right, man. Mm-hmm. But I guess the person was a far off with the Indian, the post or him about the Indian man was a far off though, like I change him mind because him target publicly say the man I got advice favor. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But when if I done with when I doc take medical leave. Oh.
Yeah, man, that's where it's supposed to be in the private sector. Pastor, I could hear what pastor have to say now. Maybe have some